Hello friends, this is Akshita, your educator. I welcome you all on the platform of Spardha Pariksha by Global Online. As we know friends, Global Online platform has launched a complete series for upcoming CTET examination which will be held in December 2022. In this particular series we are dealing with mathematics paper 2. At the same time, if you are preparing for CTET paper 1, for that complete series for mathematics paper 1 has already been launched. You can see all the videos regarding the syllabus in the playlist. Okay, in today's lecture number 6 for mathematics paper 2, we'll discuss the mensuration remaining portion. Okay, we have discussed already many facts regarding the 2D and 3D structures. Now we will discuss some more in today's lecture. Moving into today's lecture, before that I would like to tell you that the Central Teacher Eligibility Test 2022 for that complete course has been launched for paper 1 and paper 2 by the Global Online platform. Here the following features will be provided to you: full syllabus theory lectures, practice multiple MCQs, mock test will be provided, full syllabus notes in the form of PDF, and the course fees will be of just of 2000 rupees. Okay, so if you want to go and enroll the course, you just go and download the Global Online app or contact us on this given WhatsApp number. Basically, if you want to score the maximum marks in the examination as well as want the guaranteed selection in the examination, then this course is going to be very beneficial for you. Now this was for paper 1. For paper 2, again the Central Teacher Eligibility Test paper 2 for that complete course has been launched by the Global Online. Here following features will be provided to you: again full syllabus theory lectures, practice multiple MCQs, mock test, full syllabus notes in the form of PDF, and the course fees is again of just 2000 rupees. Similarly, you have to go and download the Global Online app and contact us on this given WhatsApp number. Now this was for the paper 1 and paper 2. Now for the students who are going to opt the paper 1 and paper 2, for them compiled course has been launched. Again full syllabus theory lectures, practice multiple MCQs, mock test, full syllabus notes in form of PDF. This following features will be provided to you. At the same time, the course fees is just of 3000 rupees. So this is a golden opportunity. You can completely rely on our videos, on our study material and sources. You need not to go through different kind of test series or notes or something. This is a one-stop solution, that the Global Online platform will be one-stop solution for your CTET preparation. So just go download the Global Online app or contact us on this WhatsApp number if you want to score maximum marks in the examination and want the guaranteed selection in the examination. Okay, so friends, one final step I would like to tell you that over here, how to enroll the course now. Basically, go and download the Global Online app from the Play Store. Here you will find such interface. From this interface you have to click on the icon called store. Okay, from this downside. Okay, when you click on that, you will move the page called courses. Over here you will find a search tab. In this search tab you have to type the CTET. Okay, when you type CTET, the following courses will be displayed here. Okay, for paper 1, paper 2, and both paper 1 and paper 2 along with the fees. So do grab the opportunity, do enroll the course and make your preparation in such a way that you get a guaranteed selection in the examination. Okay, now in today's lecture we are going to discuss about the mensuration part 2. Okay, in yesterday's lecture we have seen that in mensuration we are going to see two type of structures. In 2D and 3D structures, what are the thing that we have discussed? In 2D we have seen triangle, circle, then moving quadrilaterals. In quadrilaterals. Okay, in quadrilateral what we have seen, different structures like square, rectangle, parallelogram. Okay, square, rectangle, parallelogram, these were the things in which we have seen the formulas called area and perimeter. Okay, moving on to the 3D structures, we have seen the three basic structures: cube, cuboid and cylinder, right? Nextly we have very first square. Once again I'll take this, it will be a kind of revision for you. Area we have seen for square was a square, the perimeter was 4a. And to find the diagonal, what we have done by Pythagoras theorem, x square is equals to a square plus a square. This was the square, this two we had taken as diagonal. Okay, here we have taken that this as the x, okay, and this as a, both the sides. Here x square is equals to a square plus a square. Okay, x is equal to 2a square. So basically what we had taken is, x square is equals to 2a square, so x is equals to under root of 2a was the value of the diagonal for a square. Nextly we have seen for rectangle. For rectangle what we had seen, that area and perimeter. Area is equals to length into breadth, and perimeter का formula we have seen is twice of a plus b. These were the two things that we had discussed about the rectangle. Some few more things that we will discuss about the rectangle and what kind of questions that can be asked. Let us discuss that in detail now. I'll provide you with all the notes, but right now just try to understand what we have to discuss over here. Okay, the very first thing, let us draw over here a rectangle. Okay, so here what we can find, as we know that in rectangle the opposite sides are equal, right? This is the thing that we know. The very first thing, I'll take this as B and this as the L. Okay, now here, as we know, opposite sides are equal. Also, the formulas that we know regarding the rectangle is, the very first is the perimeter. In perimeter, what we have seen is twice of L plus B. As I know, as I told you that the opposite sides are equal, so there are two L's plus two B's. So basically we can take the perimeter as twice of L plus B. For area, we know area is equals to L into B. This was one formula. Okay, now I'm trying to give you the formulas. Now for the diagonal, for example, as I told you, what is a diagonal? Diagonal is basically this. To understand what is diagonal, consider a room. Consider your room, in which room you are sitting right now. Okay, you're studying and sitting right now in a particular room, and consider that I gave you a rod. Okay, and I told you that place that particular rod. Okay, I told you that place that particular rod in such a way that one side of the rod is at one particular corner, okay, and the other is at the upper side's particular one corner. Okay, place it that in such a way that it is occupying the maximum length, or it is occupying the maximum, what we can say, distance between the two different points. So basically, if you're sitting in this one particular room, okay, you're sitting on the floor, this is one particular point, okay, and this is the other point. If we place the rod in this way, this rod is nothing but, the length of this is nothing but considered to be the diagonal. Okay, in this way, this is the thing that we have to keep in mind regarding the diagonal. Now I have already told you the value of the diagonal for this square. Now the value of the diagonal for a rectangle. Now these questions can be directly asked. This is for the perimeter, this is for the area. Now for the diagonal, the formula is under root of L square plus B square. Directly we have taken, like similarly like that of this square. Okay, d square is equals to L square plus B square. So basically what we can write for d is equals to under root of L square plus B square. So this is the formula for the diagonal of the square, right? These are the three formulas. From these three formulas the questions can be asked. Okay, now these are the three things that we have to keep in mind. Now what kind of questions can be asked again from the rectangle? I'll tell you. There is one more point that we have to keep in mind is the questions, okay, that can be asked from the rectangle. Let us discuss that. Now they can give you a rectangle. Let us draw once again one particular rectangle over here. Okay, and they can tell you that if one particular road or one particular path is from outside of the rectangle, okay, one particular road is placed outside of that of the rectangle. Okay, this one particular road has been placed outside that of the rectangle. This red color is the rectangle, and this outside path or the road is outside that of the rectangle, and they can ask you that. I'll give you two cases over here. First case is road from outside. Okay, this is the first case over here. They can ask us to find the area of this particular road. So basically this was the rectangle. The red one is the rectangle. A red one के rectangle से बाहर के side से we had placed one road or a path, and we have to find the area of the path. For that there is the formula. Directly put the formula. For example, P is the road in meter. For example, P meter का ये path है या road है. Okay, this is P meters. Or you can say x meter. We'll take P over here. Okay, now the area of this particular road, the area of this particular road will be A is equals to area, that is area is equals to twice of P. Okay, 2P. What is P over here? As I told you, P is nothing but the area, sorry, P is the road in meters. Okay, P is what? P is the road, measurement of the road in meter. Okay, put this in mind, P is the road in meters. Okay, so the formula will be area is equals to 2P in bracket L plus B plus 2P. Okay, this is the formula. Once again I'll write it for you. Area is equals to 2P L plus B plus 2P. This is the formula for the road from outside, or we can say that the area of this particular road that has been placed outside that of the rectangle. This was the rectangle, the red one is a rectangle. Rectangle ke outside pe we had placed one road of P meters. For that, the area of this road from the outside of the rectangle, area is equals to 2P. P, as I told you, P is the road in meter under in bracket L plus B plus 2P. This is the formula that we have to keep directly in the mind, and if the question has been asked, you can directly put the formulas and the values and find the answer to the question. Now I have given you here a sample question. Okay, try to think about it. Now find the area of the road which has been placed outside of a rectangle of length 5 meter and breadth of 3 meter, and the road placed outside is of 10 meter. Now as I told you, one thing you have to keep in mind, the length and the breadth. The length and the breadth is of the rectangle which is inside, okay, not the road outside. Okay, that we have to keep in mind. Now as we know the formula, before knowing the formula, try to think that this is one rectangle ke outside there we had placed one road. Okay, this is of, for example, the given a road is of 10 meters, right? So this outer road, I'll use another color over here. This red color is the road. Okay, this is the road and there is a rectangle inside. Okay, there is a rectangle inside. So we have to find the area of this particular red road. Okay, red path we can say. And what is given over here is the length is given and the breadth of the inner rectangle is given. Now this is the length. Length is given is of 5 meter. Length is of 5 meter. This is for the inside road, inside rectangle. This is the length and this is the breadth. The breadth is of 3 meters. Okay, the breadth is of 3 meters. And this third thing that they have given to you over here is that the road's value. Okay, the road which is placed outside is of how much meter? It is of 10 meters. The road outside is of 10 meters. Okay, so we have to find the area. As I had told you, the formula for the area that has been placed outside that of the rectangle, we have to find area. Then area is equals to 2P L plus B plus 2P. So the value will be 2 into 10. 10 is the value of the road in meters, right? Length is given is 5 plus 3 meters breadth, 2 into again 10. So basically the answer will be 20. 5 plus 3 is 8 plus 20. It means 20 into 28. It means answer will 560. Okay. So in this way, this is the answer to the question, 560. Now this was one case, that is the road from outside of that of the rectangle. Now the second case will be road from the inside. Road can be also from the inside of the rectangle. Road from inside. Okay, what does it mean? Consider one rectangle over here. This is the rectangle, for example. Okay, and in rectangle we have drawn one road. For example, this is the road that we have drawn. Okay, this is the road that we have drawn over here. Now what we have to find is the area of this inner rectangle. That area of the inner road. This is the second case. Okay, this is the case 2. Okay, road from inside and road from outside. Now road from inside, that is inside that of the rectangle, the area of this particular road. To find out this we have to consider here, this is the length, this is the breadth of the rectangle, outer rectangle, right? And the p meter, it means the value of the road in meter, okay, that we have to keep in mind. This much is the value of the road that has been placed inside, okay. So to find the area of the inner road, the formula for this is directly, what we have to do over here is, the formula is same, only the thing that we have to change is 2p L plus b minus of 2p. As you can see, for the formula of the road outside that of the rectangle, what we have used here, a is equals to 2p L plus b plus 2p here we have used, and here what is the only difference? Here we have used minus 2p, okay. This is the only difference. Now this is the value for the area of the road which is placed inside that of the rectangle. These are the two cases that we have to keep in mind regarding the rectangle. Now what are the things questions can be asked from the rectangle is regarding the perimeter directly, regarding the area of the rectangle, regarding the diagonal wala question, that is the value of the diagonal. These are the three formulas that we have to keep in mind. Nextly, the questions can be asked, that is for the road from the inside of the rectangle and road that from the outside of the inside of the rectangle and the outside of the rectangle. These are the two formulas that we have to keep in mind. Now the question, let us solve some of them, okay. Let us solve some of the questions now. The very first, this is a very basic thing. Now I'm taking this classes from very basic, that is from very scratch to advanced level. So if you are thinking that this class is going too slow or this class is going too basic, then do watch it at one particular speed, or if you're feeling that this is getting too bored, then please do watch some other videos. Do not get like कि आपका टाइम पास भी होना चाहिए, ऐसा भी चीज़ें मत करो, ठीक है. दिस इज़ फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स हु वांट द मैथमेटिक्स फ्रॉम द स्क्रैच, ओके. आई एम ट्राइंग टू टीच देम, okay. Here at the same time I'll also move to the advanced level, so I'm starting from the really basics so that आपका भी interest बनाए रखे इस class के अंदर, okay. Now what we have to find here is the perimeter of the rectangle, okay. The first thing that we have to look here, that the length and the breadth of the rectangle are given 10 meter and 5 meter respectively. We have to find the perimeter over here, okay. Now the perimeter का formula of rectangle, perimeter of rectangle, as we know what is the perimeter, twice of L plus b. There are two L's and two B's as I told you. So this is the formula for the perimeter of the rectangle. Now the value will be twice of, what is the value of the length over here? 10 meter, okay. Consider rectangle is given over here, length is given, okay, and this is the breadth. Length is given 10 meter and breadth is given 5 meters, right? So the answer to this question will be twice of what is L? 10 meters plus breadth is 5 meters. So answer will be twice of 15, it means 30 meters, okay. The perimeter of the given rectangle, the value of the perimeter of the rectangle with the length 10 meter and the breadth 5 meter will be 30 meters, okay. Next question. Now in this question, the second question, the area of the rectangle is given, that is 120 square centimeter, and we have to find its length in, that we have to find the breadth. Basically length is given and area is given, we have to find the breadth, okay. Once again the formula for the area of the rectangle, what is the area of, it is nothing but simple question. Now this is a very simple question, area is equals to L into B, okay. What is given area? 120 square centimeter is equals to 12 is the length and breadth is what? X, for example. So x, we are considering the breadth as x, okay. So x is equals to, this is in multiplication, when it goes from to this side this will move into the division, okay. So 120 divided by 12, this means that 10 centimeter is the breadth, okay. 10 centimeter is the breadth of the particular given rectangle. This was very simple question, okay. These are very basic questions, okay. Try to solve them. I'll give you one more. Find area of square with given side of 18 centimeter, okay. When the side is given of the square, we have to find the area. This is the side, this is the square, okay, and the side given over here is of 18 centimeter. Okay, all sides are equal. As we know, we have to find the area. Now you must try to go through the formula once. Now why I am giving such a basic question, I am giving such basic question to understand or to go through the formulas for once. Okay, so just try to go through the formulas for once so that you will find the value of this. Also one more question, find the value, or sorry, find the area of a road that has been built or placed, we can say, inside a rectangle. It's inside a rectangle of length 7 meter and breadth is of 9 meter. Okay, this is the length, this is the breadth, and the road placed inside is of 17 meter. We have to find that area of that road which has been placed or built inside that of a rectangle. Okay, that has been placed inside that of the rectangle. Here the length is given, the breadth is given, and the road that has been placed inside, uski value is given. What we have to find is that area of that road. As I told you, this is the case where this is the rectangle, and inside the rectangle one road has been built, one road has been built inside, and we have to find this area of this particular road. Okay, try to solve this question, try to answer in the comment section. This was end of today's lecture. I have not taken much more topics in today's lecture because I had a short of some time. Okay, so in tomorrow's lecture we'll discuss many more questions as well as many more things regarding the mensuration, and try to solve these questions and try to go through one particular book. If you are not enrolled our course, try to go through one of the book. Okay, try to solve the questions. If you have any kind of doubt regarding any kind of question, you can comment in the comment section, or any kind of suggestion if you want to give regarding the lecture or regarding the pattern of the lecture, you can comment in the comment section. At the same time, if you want to enroll the course, regarding enrolling also, if you have any kind of doubt, you can comment in the comment section. And if you like the video, please hit the like button. You can do subscribe the channel at the same time. That will boost us, and I'll make much more videos for you. At the same time, the central teacher eligibility test for that 2022 global online platform has launched a complete series for paper 1, paper 2, and both paper 1 and paper 2. I'd like to tell you once again the fee structure. If you are going for paper 1, the fees is of 2000 rupees. If you are going for paper 2, the fees is again of 2000 rupees. And if you are going for paper 1 and paper 2 compiled course, the fees is of just 3000 rupees. In this all the 3 courses, full syllabus theory lectures will be provided to you, practice multiple MCQs, mock test will be provided, full syllabus notes in the form of PDF, and the course fees will be just of 2000 for paper 1, 2000 for paper 2, and the compiled paper 1 and paper 2 course fees will be just of 3000 rupees. Go and download the global online app for enrolling the course, or contact us on this given WhatsApp number for enrollment or subscription. Okay, if you want the maximum marks in the examination and want the guaranteed selection in the examination, you can boost your preparation along with the global online platform. So this is the end of today's lecture. Thank you for watching the video, and stay tuned for more such videos. Okay, all the best for your preparation, and have a great day. Thank you.